Hi everyone. I'm just sharing with you a Google Sheet wherein you can track all Nifty 50 shares on various parameters. Besides the fact that it captures a lot of data, this can also be connected to an Excel sheet to create dashboards based on your own parameters that will help you quickly filter the stocks which you would like to either invest in or maybe look for trading. So let's start. So this is the Google Sheet. So once we click the Google Sheet, it opens with this name, Profit Hunters Nifty 50 Tracker. Now down below, if you see, there are a couple of tabs. The Master Nifty tab is the tab where you will find all the stocks, Nifty stocks, alphabetically put in. Of course, if we see that what are the parameters we are looking at is CMP, yesterday closing, how much profit and loss is there in on a daily basis, what's the percentage, volume, open, low, close, high. These are data which are generally available through your brokers also. 52-week high and low. Then what we have done is we have calculated how many days uh, the difference between today and the 52-week high or 52-week low. Besides that, we have calculated the percentage of the current price from the 52-week high, right? And what you see is 20-day simple moving average, 50-day, 100-day, 200-day. All this, some of the brokers would provide you, but many of them would not provide you in their day-to-day um, platforms. These are generally available in the charts. So we have tried and captured it here by way of numbers. Then what more is available is the current price versus the 20-day moving average, whether it is up or below the price. Similarly for 50, 100 and 200, what has been the returns, 5-year returns on this. Then we have tried to capture the RSI, which is one of those parameters which I would like to see when I'm trading. Another aspect which has been created here is a dashboard which will allow you to scroll through your stock along with this line chart, instantly made available for a year. So any stock which you pick from the drop down menu, say for example we take BPCL, the Google Sheet will update and tell you what is the price, high, low, and what is the percentage change, volume, etc., along with the line chart. Now this line chart is a 1-year chart. Anyone looking for a higher number can just change it from 364 to maybe 500, 700 and so on. So that data will get updated. Once the data is updated, the chart gets updated. Now this entire data can also be then connected with the Excel sheets. So I've tried doing it to figure out how the dashboards can be created. So here, this first dashboard is showing those stocks which are the top 10 stocks in terms of percentage, positive percentage from the 200-day moving average. And we are also reflecting the price, the RSI of these stocks. So this can help you decide if you would like to trade or maybe invest in these stocks. What additionally can be done is we can also probably place the current price as well as the DMA. So this way the dashboards can be created. On the right hand side is the dashboard where we find these are the stocks which are below the 200 moving average, and this is the current RSI of these stocks. So some of these can be looked at from an investment potential because uh, prices normally tend to move towards the 200-day average that is generally seen in good stocks. So many of them are good. I mean, day before yesterday, I recall some TV guys were recommending Bajaj Auto. So Bajaj Auto has really moved up in the last 1 or 2 days. We can go and check on the Google sheet. So let's pull it down here and see what has happened today in Bajaj Auto. So we see 44 rupees, it has gone up. Day before yesterday, I recall it was somewhere around 3,100 rupees. So maybe in just 2 days, it has gone up by 100 rupees. And the reason logically to my understanding is it is much below the moving 200-day moving average. It's a good stock. And we see that even the line chart indicates that some kind of upside movement has happened today. So I'm sure this sheet can be very useful. All those who are interested in using this sheet, I would request them to share their email IDs so that I can give them the access of this sheet. Thank you.